This badge is my first Jeep Badge of Honor badge. I earned it 9 years ago, and I've wheeled it many times. To learn more about the Jeep Badge of Honor, check out my video, How to Jeep Badge of Honor. The link is in the description below. Okay, here we go. Trail 11, the Jeep Badge of Honor at Rausch Creek. And look at that big, huge rock. Yikes. Trail 11 is one of 3 Jeep Badge of Honor trails at Rausch Creek Off-road Park. It is the easiest, and it's a green trail. To learn more about trail ratings, check out my video, Beginner's Guide to the Off-Road Trail Ratings. There's a link in the description below. This trail is perfect for a beginner with a stock Jeep, and it can give you quite a challenge. My first time on this trail was quite challenging for me as a new off-roader. My Jeep was totally up for the challenge, but I had a lot to learn. Okay, passenger tire on the rock.
In front of you, there's a rock here. Keep the driver tire on this one first. You see it over
yep.
here? Okay, you're good.
Holy.
Come my way a bit. There you go.
This is not green.
Now come my way. Driver.
However, after many times wheeling this trail, I eventually became a tail gunner,
there you go.
And then a trail guide, leading other off-roaders on this trail for their first time. Being able to guide other Jeepers on the trail for their first time is an amazing experience. Go, go, go. You're all right.
She's so cool.
Did you see the look on her face? She was like, I got that on camera. It is fulfilling to be able to show newcomers to the sport how much fun it can be.
Good job, good job.
Trail 11 meanders around a glacial depression. The trail is full of trees and plenty of small obstacles and different terrain features to keep you interested in the trail. The trail provides a mix of terrain from hard-packed dirt to mud to minor rocks. Depending on the season, you could have water flowing on the trail. One of the main obstacles is a twisty one that lets your Jeep get a good suspension flex. However, if you aren't ready for this flexy ride, there is a bypass. The higher trail takes you on an easier path. Near the beginning of the trail, depending on where you start, is another section of trail where there are 2 options. The lower section is more challenging. There is another obstacle on the trail that I highly recommend you stay away from. It's called JK Killer. It's a muddy water obstacle on the side of the trail. The story goes that a Jeeper decided without testing the depth of the water to give it a try and ended up hydrolocking the motor, killing the poor JK. This section of the trail is clearly marked with a sign that says JK Killer. When you're on Trail 11, you need to pay close attention to the trail signs, as there are several trails that branch off of Trail 11, and they can range anywhere from green to blue and even black trails. Now, black trails are not suitable for beginners nor stock vehicles. Should I go around? I should go around this way. Trail 11 is one of my most memorable trails, as it was my first Jeep Badge of Honor, and it was my first challenging trail as a new off-roader.